Good morning, student of class 4th. Welcome to your EVS class. I hope you all are fit and healthy. So student, today date is 28 June 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 3, plant life and parts of a plant. Parts so name of the chapter is plant life, parts of plant. Now see, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, in the previous video I explained you, I discussed things to remember and keywords of the chapter, and after that we have started the book exercises of the chapter. Okay, in the previous video I explained you things to remember, keywords of the chapter, and after that we have started the book exercises of the chapter. So student, we have completed question number A, that is correct, take the right option. These are MCQ question. For the one answer, for one question, four answers are given and we have to choose the right answer. Okay, for one question 4 options are given and we have to choose the right option. So question number A we have completed in our book. Then question number 2, fill in the blanks. This question also we have completed in the book. Then question number C, true or false. This question also we have completed in the book. Now today student, we will start from question number D. Name the following. Okay, now we will start with the question number D. Question number D is name the following. So what is the first question? Two seeds that we eat. So in this question we have to write the name of two eatable seeds. There are many seeds which we eat after cooking. Okay, so we have to give the name of the two seeds that we eat. Seeds that we eat means the eatable seeds which we can eat. So two seeds that we eat: rice and wheat. There are many seeds which we eat. All the pulses, जितनी भी आप लोग दालें खाते हो तो वो भी क्या है, ईटेबल सीड्स ही हैं. बट ओनली टू ब्लैंक्स आर गिवन. दैट इज द रीजन आई हैव रिटन ओनली टू नेम्स, दैट इज राइस एंड व्हीट. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज two stems we eat. So there are some stems also in which the food is stored. When I explained you the function of the stem, that time I explained you there are some stems also in which extra food is stored, and we eat the stem of stem. So what was it is asked, two stems we eat. Give the name of two stems which we eat. So you can write sugarcane and potato. Note down from the board the two stems which you can eat, that is the sugarcane and potato. Next is two flowers we eat. Now question number 3, we have to write the names of two flowers which we can eat. Two flowers we eat. So two flowers which you can eat, that you can write बनाना ट्री में जो फ्लावर होता है उस फ्लावर को भी हम लोग ईट करते हैं, एंड कॉलीफ्लावर. and banana. Now the next question. Question number 4. Two roots we. So student, there are some special roots also which store food in them, and we eat the roots of that plant, and that two roots we eat are carrot and radish. Note down. Now two leaves we eat. Next is two leaves we eat. So two leaves we eat, that is cabbage and mint. कैबेज पत्ता गोभी को बोलते हैं और मिंट आपका पुदीना को बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर डी वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. नाउ we will start with question number E. Give short answers to the following question. Give short answers to the following question. Now for that, student, you take out your book so that you can note down the question from the book with the help of a book. And now take out your classwork copy, because question answer we will complete in classwork copy, and diagrams are also we draw in our classwork copy. Now take out your classwork copy. Give, this is question number E. Give short answers. Question number 1. What is photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis? So first of all, I give you the explanation of the answer, and after that we will note down this answer in the copy. So as we know that there are different parts of the plant, as we know that there are different parts of a plant, but leaves are the only that part of the plant which can prepare their own food. Okay, that is the reason leaves are also known as kitchen of the plants, and leaves are also known as a food factory of the plants. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process in which leaves prepare their own food using carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. In presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So how the leaves get water? Because water is absorbed by the roots, and then root passes this water to the stem, because roots are attached to the stem, and then stem passes this water to the leaves. Is it clear? क्योंकि मैंने जब लीफ का स्ट्रक्चर बताया था तो मैंने आपको बोला था मिड वेन्स जो होती हैं, so many side veins are attached to this mid vein, and what is their function? To distribute water and food in the leaves. Okay, so student, water is absorbed by the root, and root passes to the stem, and then stem passes to the leaves. And after that, how the leaves take carbon dioxide? There are tiny pores present on the leaves that are known as stomata. So here the exchange of gases take place. What does mean the exchange of gases? It means that carbon dioxide is used by the plant when they prepare food. Carbon dioxide is used by the leaves when they prepare the food, and at the same time they release oxygen, which is used by us. Now next is the how we get water, how we get carbon dioxide, that we have discussed. Now a green pigment which is present on the surface of the leaf, which is present in the leaves, green pigment, that is known as chlorophyll. So what is the function of this chlorophyll? This chlorophyll absorb, when the light of the sun falls on the leaf, then it absorbs the light of the sun, and in this way they prepare their food. Is it clear? So this complete process is known as photosynthesis. So this question is asked in short answer question. So we will write only the definition of photosynthesis, and if it comes in detail, then you can show this process with the help of a diagram also, and the complete process you will write if it come in the long question. How the water is absorbed by the root, how leaves get the carbon dioxide, how light of the sun is absorbed by the leaves, all that thing, and the food is stored in the form of a glucose, or you can say starch. Is it clear? So note down the definition of a photosynthesis. Answer: the process of making food, the process of making the process of making food by leaves, the process of making food by leaves using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of of sunlight and chlorophyll. So this is a complete, so this is a definition of a photosynthesis: the process of making food by leaves using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This is known as photosynthesis. Is known as photo is known as photosynthesis. Okay, so you can take a screenshot also to note down the answer. You can take a screenshot. Next question is, draw a well labeled diagram of a leaf. Okay, draw a draw a well labeled diagram so student in the book page number 20 diagram of the leaf is given. If you are unable to draw this diagram, then you can also draw a simple diagram of a leaf also. Is it clear? So if you want to draw a diagram which is given on their book, in their book page number 20, and if you want to draw a simple diagram, so you can draw this diagram from the board. So this is known as main vein. This is known as side vein. This is known as leaf blade, or you can also write lamina. So this is a diagram of a okay. If you want to show the diagram, simple diagram, so you can note down this diagram from the board also. Now next question. Question number 3. Now question number 3. What does a seed require to grow? What does a seed require to grow into seedlings? So question is, what does a seed require to grow into seedling? Seedling means baby plant. So what are the conditions required for the growth? That is, the seed is a seed sown in the soil, then you water the soil, and after that when this water enter into the, every seed has a hole, जितनी भी सीड्स होती हैं बेटा उसमें होल होता है, and when this water enters into the hole and all the seeds are, and this baby plant is protected inside the seed coat, and there is a hole in all the seeds. So when the water enter in the holes, then the size of the seed increase and the seed coat break down, and from this seedling come out. Seedling means baby plant. Seedling means baby plants come out, and first part of the plant which come out, that is the root. That is the root, and cotyledons are the food for the baby plant. So when the root is not in the touch of the soil, then cotyledons is the food for the baby plant, and first root develop, and after that shoot portion start developing above the ground, and it contains stem, leaves, branches, fruit, flower, birds. So in this manner the new plants come out from the seed, and this process is known as germination. Note down, the process by which a seed grows into a, आप सीडलिंग भी लिख सकते हो तो भी राइट है, या तो बेबी प्लांट भी लिख सकते हो. into a baby plant is called germination. The conditions needed for germination are air, water, and the right temperature. So what does a seed require to grow into seedling? The process by which a seed grows into a baby plant is called germination, or the condition needed for germination are air, water, and the right temperature. Is it clear? So this is the way how the new seedling, or you can say how the baby plants develop from the seed. Because when the water enters, because every seed has a hole, and when the water enters in the seed, student, then its size become big, and the seed coat also become very soft, and the baby plant break the seed coat, and the baby plant break the seed coat, and it comes out. Okay, thank you student.